Can you solve this math puzzle? 2 plus 2 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 15. 4 plus 4 equals 28. And here is the question before, which says 5 plus 5 equals what? For us to solve this puzzle, let's break down the hidden pattern. Standard addition obviously doesn't work here, so we have to find out how the numbers here change to the number here. So we have to find out the calculation that was done here in order for them to get this answer. Now let's look at the first line, which says 2 plus 2 equals 6. For us to calculate this and get this as our answer, the rule says first number plus second number times 1.5. So the first number is 2, second number 2 multiplied by 1.5. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 1.5 will give us 6, which is correct. Now let's solve the second line. 3 plus 3 equals 15. First number 3 plus second number 3 multiplied by 2.5. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 multiplied by 2.5 will give us 15. Unlike the first line, we used multiplied by 1.5, but in the second line, we are using multiplied by 2.5. That means an additional one has been added to the first one, which is 1.5 that we used in the first line. So per line, you'll be adding 1 to it. First line 1.5, second line 2.5. Now let's move to the third line. Now we're going to be multiplying it by 3.5 in the third line. So the third line now says 4 plus 4 equals 28. So first number 4 plus second number 4 multiplied by 3.5. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 multiplied by 3.5 will give us what? 28, which is correct. Now let's solve the question before us, which says 5 plus 5 equals what? Using the rule above, first number 5 plus second number 5 multiplied by 4.5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 multiplied by 4.5 will give us 45. This is the final and correct answer. So 5 plus 5 will give us 45. So in this puzzle, the first line 1.5, the second line 2.5, the third line 3.5, and the fourth line 4.5. For the first line, 1.5 was multiplied to the addition of the first and second number. Second line 2.5 was multiplied to the addition of the first and second number. For line 3, 3.5 was multiplied to the addition of first and second number. And the question before us, 4.5 was multiplied to the addition of the first and second number. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for more